All right. So listen, as far as map is concerned, according to me, maps are the easiest ones. Now you can say, sir, you are the teacher, huh? Teacher to kahega hi. It's not there. I'll give you the logic. I'll just try to help you out with that. Listen, the first thing is you should understand the language which is used to give directions. In maps, what do? They give directions. What is the purpose of maps in Ielts listening? The purpose is when you people go to a foreign country, at least you should be able to understand the maps. If you ask anyone the way, you should be able to understand. वरना ये ना अंग्रेज आपको खुद छोड़ने जा रहा है कि इसको बेचारे को समझ नहीं आती. Yeah, और at the end पागल खाने छोड़ाएगा फिर. If you don't speak their language, you are like, I mean, just imagine someone you find here who doesn't understand your language. You think पागल है. Yeah, इसको समझ नहीं आती, पागल है. But he's not actually पागल, right? So the purpose of map is so that you understand where we use map, how to reach certain places and all that. Now, the first thing is you need to learn the language of directions. Now, what is that language? First of all, go straight ahead. Now, when they say go straight ahead, you need to go on. Go down the street means you go on, right? So after that, if you say take first right turn, second left. Now, when map is in front of you, your right is that right. Once a lady said, sir, uska ulta karna hai, सीधा करना है, ऐसे वाला right है, ऐसे वाला right. So don't confuse yourselves. When the map is in front of you, if they give you directions, east, west, north, south, then it's very easy. They will tell you on the eastern side, western side, north. And if they don't give you directions, then they use the word on the right side, on the left side, bottom of the map, top of the map, right? So top right hand corner, top left hand corner. These words are very important and you should be familiar with these words. The first thing. After that, the second thing is prepositions. Now we've got prepositions of places and prepositions of location. For example, behind, in front of, next to. Now if I say go past the library, this is the library. Go past the library means library के पास से गुजर के जाएं. Go past the library. Have you noticed one thing? Like for example, there are the stairs and people are sitting there. और आपने वहाँ से गुजरना है. आप बोलते excuse me, can I get past? P-A-S-T, past. Can I get past means क्या मैं यहाँ से गुजर सकता हूँ, रास्ता दे दें. So that past, go past the library means this is the library and you're going, actually go past the library. After that, they use like turn right, turn left, in the corner, bottom of the map, top of the map, behind. So when they give you time to read the questions, important point, when they give you time to read the questions, don't read the questions. Read the map. Because questions are like tea room, cafeteria, baby changing facility, washroom, blah, blah, blah. Right? And you spend all 30 seconds looking at washroom. Yeah? Okay, cafeteria. Okay, this and that. No. First thing is you need to see, take an overall look of the map. What is overall look? Where is the entrance? Where is the entrance? They always have entrance. So first you need to identify where is the entrance. Once you know the entrance, and then inside the map you can see, okay, post office is here, library is here, and then the names of the roads. Names of the roads. And where two roads join, we call it junction. For example, we've got Mall Road and Jail Road. So where Mall Road and Jail Road, they join, that is what we call Mall Road and Jail Road junction. In front of the bank, behind the bank, next to the bank. So once you understand these prepositions, then you can do another thing, another good tip. Don't look at the map, just have a copy, pencil in your hand, a copy, right? A white sheet in front of you, play the audio. In the audio, if they say turn right, make a line, right side. Then from there, go straight ahead. Then again, turn left. Whatever they say, just switch on your imagination. Without looking at the map, follow these instructions. Once you do that, once you know prepositions of place, preposition of location, language for directions, right? Straight ahead, turn right, second right, third left. Then after doing 4 or 5 maps, you will say, I love maps. Yeah, I'll get full marks in that. So actually what we do, We become sometimes, Don Vatta Punjabi, you understand? Don Vatta, map, aanda hi nahi mainu. I don't know map. And we develop this negative belief, map, I don't know map. One of my students from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, she developed this belief that maps are extremely hard. And then whenever we have a negative belief, we feed that negative belief as well. How she fed her negative belief? She said, map is so confusing. I lose everything when I do the map. In actual exam, she went, after listening part 1, when she turned, there was a map and he said, hi, mar gaye. Yeah, and she said, mera to test zaya ho gaya, barbad ho gaya. And she got low band in listening. Why? Because she developed this thing. So I tell you, never develop any negative feeling that I hate multiple choice questions. I hate matching type of question. If you develop this feeling and you come across the same question type there, you will be in double trouble. So for maps, all these things are going to help you, right?